Yo, what up, YouTube? So, let's get right to it. How to make six figures in the trucking business. Alright, so first off is first, you got to get your CDL Class A's license, right? Pick a specialized field that you want to go in: container, flatbed, dry van, reefer, tankers, doubles, triples. Pick one and specialize in it and perfect it. Now, you want to buy your truck. Buying your truck, becoming an owner operator is the only way you're going to make six figures in this business. Now, after you buy your truck, you have options of which lanes you want to go down. You could become an owner operator and lease onto a company, or you can start your own authority and basically manage your own truck, company, dispatching, load boards, factoring, the whole 9 yards. With your own authority, you are a carrier, which means you have to find your own loads, which means you can put your trucks on load boards for brokers to contact you and be able to find work for you. You could go dedicated routes. You could do power only. You could do flatbeds. You could do dry vans. You could do these types of work specialized under your own authority. Now, if you lease onto a company, you could go with a company that's well known, has a lot of customers, has a lot of dedicated freight, not a lot of downtime. Be able to keep your wheels moving. While your wheels is moving, you're able to make money. Because if the wheels ain't turning, your pockets is burning. That's what they always say. So this is a way to keep your fleet moving and keep your truck moving. Now on to the good stuff. Let's talk money. Alright, so when I first started out trucking and I got my own truck, my goal was to at least make $1,000 a day. Under my own authority, I was able to pick and choose which loads I wanted to basically run and I was comfortable with. I got a lot of experience driving in New York City, so I was able to drive anywhere in the world, in my opinion. So I would pick anywhere from $1,000 load to $1,500 loads to $2,000 loads if I was able to get that done within the day. Now, if you do the math, that's about $5,000 a week if you get to $1,000 a day for 5 days on the road. Now, if you do 6 or 7 days on the road and then take your reset and start over, that's even more money in your pocket. So if you don't have a family that depends on you to be home and take care of them, then this is a great opportunity for you to take. And while the money is good, you should take it. Now, if you're making $5K a week, that's $20K a month. Working every week for the rest of the year, God forbid anything happens to you or your truck, that's $240K a year. Okay, let's go down the checklist. First things first, CDL Class A license. Checklist number 2, you're gonna go ahead and buy a truck. Checklist number 3, you're gonna lease on to a trucking company, or you're gonna be able to start your own authority with your own trucking company carrier. Step number 4, start working, making a lot of money. Go for big paying loads, and that way you will get to that 6 figures. Now, if you want me to make a step-by-step video, like, subscribe, and comment. The next video is coming up soon. Get back at me, YouTube. Later.